To change the language on Duolingo, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the language on Duolingo. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after that, you just need to open the Duolingo app and also make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to change the language. And after that, you just need to go on the option of profile icon by clicking on the option at very bottom right. So after that, you just need to click on the option of settings like icon at the very top right, and from here you just need to click on the option of courses, and after selecting the option of courses, you just need to remove the course which you want to remove, and to add the course you just need to go back to profile icon, or to change the language you just need to go back to profile icon and click on the option of course, and from here you just need to select the language which you want to add. So let's say if I want to add the Irish language, I'll simply tap on it. So I'll just need to select the option which they will show you at the screen. So that's it. That's how you can change the language of Duolingo. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.